How to add license or registration on SeekPass. If you want to add either license or registration to your SeekPass account, it's quite simple to do so. So go ahead and then launch the SeekPass app, and this is the interface that you'll be able to see, and go ahead and make sure to verify with your account as well. Then once you've done that, you can simply scroll down over here and you'll find this option called licenses and registrations. Then tap this option called add new license or registration and tap on it. Now you can select add a license or registration, like what you have, whether you have access to a vehicle, AHPRA registration, construction induction card, crane license, dogging and rigging license, driver's license, whatever else it is. Just select the type of license that you have, then tap on the verify button, then tap on start verification, take the picture of the document, start selecting whatever else it is, then tap the next option to enter your license number, card number, and so on. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then add license and registration to SeekPass. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.